Welcome back, my goodies. Today I'm going to make some oxtail. Yeah, I'm going to brown stew the oxtail Jamaican style. So I already washed and clean up my oxtail with some lemon juice and vinegar. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to season my oxtail. So I just want to show all the seasoning that I will be using. So here I have some garlic. I have some chopped garlic. I'm going to use a tablespoon of garlic. You can use half tablespoon if you don't like garlic. And here I have some ginger paste. I'm going to use half tablespoon of ginger paste. I'm going to use half tablespoon of my chicken Maggi seasoning. And here I have some roasted garlic pepper. I'm going to use half tablespoon of my garlic pepper powder mixed. So this is garlic powder and onion powder. Half tablespoon of my Cool Runnings chicken seasoning, and I'm going to use some black pepper, about a teaspoon of black pepper. Here I have some allspice, pimento seed. I already ground those, and I'm going to add a little bit of gravy browning. You can add the browning according to your liking, not too much though because it would make it bitter. I'm going to also add half tablespoon of brown sugar, and that's my secret ingredient. So let's get right into seasoning our meat. So this is me adding all my seasoning that we went over before. The little dupes of black pepper, Cool Runnings chicken seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, roasted garlic and pepper seasoning, the browning. Can add a little bit of browning, and then when I rub it in, if it want more, I add more. My tablespoon of my garlic and the ginger paste. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to rub this in, make sure that everything is nice and seasoned. All right, so it's nicely rubbed in. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to transfer this to my pressure cooker pot, because I have to pressure cook this for 30 minutes, and then gonna put some other seasoning on it like my scallion, my green onion and stuff, and finish it off on the stove top, but just to reduce the cooking time. So now I'm going to add my brown sugar, okay, and then I'm going to add my pimento seeds, about 2 tablespoons of ketchup, because you have this sweet that we just added to it, so the ketchup will give it a little tang. It's just me washing out my ketchup bottle. And now we're gonna add the water. Catch the water in the pan that I season the meat, so I can get out all the remaining seasoning. Beautiful. So I'm just gonna cover this down now and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. Stay tuned. I had made some gungo rice and peas in my Dutchie pot. So I use a tin dried gungo. Let me know if you would like to see the recipe for this delicious, nice, shelly, lovely, beautiful gungo rice and peas. Look at that. Awesome. This pairs well with my oxtail for Sunday dinner or whatever. Doesn't have to be Sunday dinner. Treat yourself in the week, of course. See? Beautiful. Okay, so it's finished pressure cooking, nice and tender. Transfer it to the pot on the stove, and over here I have some seasoning that I'm going to put. Some onion, green onion, half of a hot pepper, some bell peppers, and a piece of thyme. I'm just gonna throw this in and just give this a stir. And this I'm just gonna leave this and make the gravy go down. I'm also gonna add some more seasoning, like a Maggi cube to this, but I want it to go down a little bit more and taste it first to make sure it's not salty. Okay? Alright, stay tuned for the final result. Okay, as you can see, everything looking nice and beautiful. I did add a Maggi cube because it tasted as if it wanted a little bit more top up on the seasoning. Maybe it wanted a little bit of salt, but I don't like to add salt, so I rather add the Maggi. So I added the Maggi, and the gravy, as you can see, went down. So I'm just gonna turn this off now. So this is the final result. The meat is nice and tender. If you like this recipe, just hit that subscription button, leave me a comment, like and share the video. Until next time, walk good and stay safe.